Hey creatives, quick note today on your first draft. It's an old adage that your first draft is going to be garbage, and chances are it's not going to be your best. It's not the thing that you're going to submit to a contest, and that's fine. That's normal. Your first attempt at making something, you want to put in all of your ideas. You want to just throw everything at the wall and see what sticks. You're having fun with it. But that means a lot of stuff is not going to stick. That's okay. That's normal. You go into it expecting that, but I'm going to give you a little bit of advice. Don't hate your first draft. Within that are the seeds of what you're going to make. Within that, you can catch glimpses of the talent that you have, even if it's unhoned. Your first draft may be messy, undisciplined, absolutely not ready to show to anybody, but there will be diamonds in there if you look. How do I know this? Because you don't suck. What you make is not going to 100% suck. No matter how bad it is, no matter how amateur, no matter how messy, there will be something redeemable in there. So don't hate your first draft. See it for what it is. A wrinkly, messy, wet, red newborn. And someday it's going to grow up and it's going to win a gold medal. Love your first draft. Be proud of it because you did it. You made the thing, and that is not small. Then go ahead and get your eraser and red pen and get to work on it. Patience and hard work will get you there, creative. Your dream will eventually be a reality. And in the meantime, don't hate your first draft. Sit down with me now, creative, no matter which draft you're on, and let's make something new.